Hello my sunshines, my recipe today is chicken and dumplings, one of the ultimate comfort foods. Actually, it's one of my favorites. I hope you enjoy this recipe today. Thank you. Okay, so we're ready to start our chicken and dumplings. We have some chicken here that's already soaked and washed, and I personally prefer whole chicken wings that I cut up into pieces like this. I have 8 or 9 of these whole chicken wings that I cut up, and also threw in a couple of legs in there as well. And so now we're ready to start seasoning. Okay, so now I have my chicken ready, and then I blended some seasoning. This is the seasonings that I used. It consists of salt, complete seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and that's it. But this is the pot I'm going to make my chicken and dumplings in. This pot means a lot to me. My Aunt Alberta used to always make chicken and dumplings in this pot. And this is the pot I'm going to use, or I always use when I make this recipe. I just added a half a package of sazon to the seasoned chicken to give it some color. And so now I'm going to begin to put it in the pot and to begin cooking. Okay, chicken is now in the pot, and I have it on low to medium heat. And so what we're going to do is we're going to keep it on here. We're going to cover it and then let the juices come out of the chicken, and put the top on. And in the meantime, I'm boiling some water, because we're going to add the water and put in the onions and all the other, vegetables and things that we're going to use. Okay, so now the chicken juices from the chicken has come up, and so I'm going to add the boiling hot water to this. Boiling water, we're going to add 1 onion quartered up, and some celery, and a few twigs of thyme. Then we have some bay leaf, 5 or 6 bay leaves here. 3/4 of a stick of butter. Some chicken. We're going to add some chicken bouillon to that mixture there, and then we're going to add a can of Campbell's cream of chicken soup. I added the boiling water. I added the butter, I added the onions, the celery, the thyme, and the bay leaves. And now I'm going to bring this mixture to a boil. And, the cream of chicken soup and the chicken bouillon has been added, and it's boiling. So now we need to just turn the heat down to a low medium, cover it, and cook it for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, after the 45 minutes is up, I'll go in and take out the celery, the big pieces of celery, and if you can, get some of the onion out. Put some of the juices from the gravy, the chicken gravy, and I'm going to beat this. I put it in a bullet, and then I'm going to puree this up. And then I'm just going to add that mixture right into the chicken mixture right here. And just cook this for about another 10 minutes more. 10 to 15 minutes more. I'm going to use Betty Crocker Bisquick mix, 2 cups and 2/3 cup of milk. Those 2 mixtures together until you get a soft dough like this. Okay, we have you turn your chicken mixture up to a boil, and when it's on a boil, then you're just going to drop your dumplings, spoonful, top of the boiling mixture here. We got all the dumplings in here, and then we're going to cut it down to a simmer and cook it 10 minutes uncovered. Now we're going to cover this for 10 minutes, and then it should be done. Get it 10 minutes up, and it's ready, and enjoy. The chicken and dumplings, and with yellow rice and spinach. This is one of the comfort foods. It's delicious, and enjoy. I'm so happy to share this recipe with you. Please hit the subscribe and notification button, letting you know when my next video is available. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed